A pre-owned 2018 Ram 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ram has less than 186,000 kilometers on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.